Now that we're no longer living at the Westerly, I can show you what we did for New Year's Eve 2021. We first went to dinner at Whispering Canyon Cafe in Fort Wilderness Lodge. Then we made a quick reservation for Magic Kingdom, hopped over there, saw some of the entertainment in front of the castle, then got a little freaked out because it got really crowded. Then we went back to the apartment and watched the fireworks from our apartment. Happy New Year! More minutes until the fireworks start. We're staying out here in front of the apartments. It's almost 2022 and we're gonna see fireworks that way from the Magic Kingdom. Happy New Year.
It was counting down.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Mwah.
Yay! We missed it early, right as the countdown, it counted down 5. Like it actually made a 5 in the sky. 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there's fireworks going off behind us and people with horns. It's crazy. Cheers to 2022.